Okay, we'll we'll try and explain the simplified cash flow forecast for this little trading company. So what you'll do, this is going to track cash, okay, from month to month. So what we'll do is we're going to start off with an opening balance for the month of July, which is $5,000. So we just opened up in July. We put in $5,000 of our savings, so that's what we're going to start with. Other monies that come in to the company, number one, you could have cash from sales revenue, so of 6,000. Other incomes, maybe your granny or somebody gave you some money, but unfortunately times are tough and you didn't get any money. So the total inflows, okay, for this particular month is $600. Oh no, what did I do? Or $6,000, sorry. Then what you'll do is you'll take this term called outflows, or money going out. So maybe you bought some supplies, 2,500. You had to pay your employees 3,500. You had other expenses, okay, daily expenses of running the company of 2,000. So you have a total outflow of 8,000. Your net flow for that month, okay, is going to be $2,000. And how you get that is you take your total inflows and you subtract it from your total outflows, and you get this negative number. Do you see how you write the little negative number? With that little parenthesis, and you get a negative $2,000 worth of flow, cash flow. However, at the end of the month, okay, you ended up with 3,000. How did this happen? At the beginning of the month, remember, you had this initial balance of 5,000. So you take your total inflows minus your total outflows, and you get 2,000. 2,000 minus 5,000 gives you a balance of $3,000 at the end of July. What you do with this $3,000 now is you move that closing balance now up to the opening balance for August. And then we go ahead and set the problem up again. So cash flows for the month of August, 5,000. Granny didn't give you any money. You have a total inflow of $5,000. These are all of your expenses, 7,700, for a net flow for the month of August of $2,700. So it looks like sales isn't going very well for this particular month. Maybe we have to do some sort of strategy, okay, to improve sales. So at the end of the month, our total balance, what we have in the bank, is $300. I take that 300 and I move it to the opening balance for the next month. And then I go ahead and I do the math again. You notice that we're carrying a negative balance for the month of September and the month of October. Maybe there was a storm, or maybe people went on strike. Maybe there was something else going on in the external environment that affected this cash flow. But eventually, as you can see, we've bounced back in the month of November. We've bounced back in the month of December. And now, at the end of the year, well, at the end of December, we have $1,100, okay, to close out that cash flow. And this really is a budget to you and I. So once again, this is a really good problem, cash flow. Hopefully this video helped, and